I'm Luca Pandolfini. I'm a researcher from the Italian Institute of Technology in Genoa. We have this institution, which is the Aquario of Genova, in which they were able to breed this species of tortoise, which is critically endangered. By using nanopore sequencing, we assemble high-quality reference genome for this species, and we are now going to unleash this genetic information in order to find epigenetic footprint of sex. This has profound conservation and developmental biology implications. We want to make this process available for the conservation community to make conservation efforts more effective. Being at the London Calling for me is really exciting because I had the chance of interacting with many renowned experts in the field of long-read sequencing, and it was really interesting from both a scientific and technical point of view.